Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and today I want to tell you about a change to something. So I've been doing the show Instant Noodle Recipe Time for quite a while, at least a couple of years. I've got over 800 episodes in the can, and it's been a great run, but for now I have to go on hiatus. You may be wondering why, and let me tell you. So, due to the COVID, my kids aren't going to school right now, and they're getting older and they're getting crazier as kids do. Mimi is just about 4 and Miles is 5, and it is very, very hard to concentrate and do what I need to do to bring you episodes without them making a lot of noise, which I don't blame them for. I made a lot more noise than they did when they were kids. But at this point, honestly, it's pretty stressful. It's very hard to do an episode sitting in front of a camera and having kids screaming in the background. And I don't want to have the show be, every couple minutes me going and telling my kids to be quiet over and over and over. The whole point of the show is basically I say, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I've been doing that for a long time, and sometimes I'm able to do 3 episodes a day, and it's easy and it's fun and it's great. But lately it has not been fun, and the whole point of it was like an easy to do show, very little editing, super lo-fi, and so there's a couple options I have: cutting the show altogether or modifying the format. And I'm going to try modifying the format first. What that's going to entail is me doing video shoots and just having music over top of it. Okay, so what you'll see is me cooking noodles and garnishing them, and you get to watch Rotato spin around the noodles. And that's about it. I have a feeling I'm going to gravitate away from that, and the show will go on hiatus until my kids go back to school. Because once they're back to school, I'll be able to crank out 3 or 4 reviews a day and do videos of them, and it'll be great again. But right now, there's just so much going on. One thing that's really a lot of work, and it might not seem like it, but if you're a parent, you'll understand. I do 24 Zoom meetings a week. 1 is for preschool, 1 is for kindergarten. And keeping kids engaged with that is not easy, and they're spaced apart. It is what it is. It's the best you can get for the times we're in right now. And yeah, hopefully this will end at some point. And then kids will go back to school and things will be all hunky-dory. But right now, I'm really happy that my kids are at home. It's just about November of 2020 when I'm putting this out, so it'll, it seems that it's ramping up. We just had 80,000 cases here a couple days ago. So it's definitely good that they're at home. I feel more secure with them at home right now anyways. So yeah, it's a lot, but I need to take something off my plate, and that's it. No pun intended. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to keep reviewing and everything, and you're going to be able to see my reviews on Facebook. I'm like 120 reviews ahead on the website. So you've got a lot of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. If you follow it on Facebook, you've got like 6 months of it you're going to see, so don't worry about that. But if you just strictly follow on YouTube, I've got episodes right now up to November 26th, and I've got some that companies have sent that I've told them that I'm going to do Instant Noodle Recipe Time episodes of, that I got to clear out. So I'll probably do maybe like 8 more, and then I'm just going to kill it. Try a different format. And Yeah, it's very bittersweet because I've really been enjoying it. I've really been enjoying doing the quotes from Momofuku Ando from his book, and it's just been neat. Everything was in a really good groove, but they're kids, so I'm not mad at my children. It's just like you kids are dynamic, and you got to roll with it. So yeah. Anyways, but yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I think I might be doing more live videos. I'm also probably going to, instead of doing videos for the top 10 lists, just kill that altogether. I'll do top 10 lists. If they're just posts, then there's really no, the amount of work that it takes to do videos for top 10s is huge. So prepare to see a lot more top 10 lists coming out. Like this week, I'm getting 3 ready. I'm getting the USA list, which I plan on releasing the day of or the day before Election Day. I've got the top 10 spicy list, which I'm getting together, and I've got the top 10 list for Taiwan. I plan to also do more episodes, or more top 10 lists soon. Usually at the beginning of the year is Korea. Usually towards the end of the year is Hong Kong. I might get Japan out of the way. I don't know. We'll see what else. I've never done a Vietnam list. Unfortunately, there really haven't been a whole heck of a lot of varieties that I've enjoyed from Vietnam. So maybe I can do a call for more local Vietnamese varieties to do. But we'll see. It's been a while, so I'll have to look over the Vietnamese varieties I've reviewed. But yeah, maybe a new list, maybe a list for the UK. That's possible too. I just don't know. But anyways, yeah, kind of a sad thing, you know. I really like doing. Got everything into a groove, but gotta adapt. So getting that off my plate is going to make my life a lot easier and more simple and less stressful. So that's just kind of the deal. So yeah, and thanks to everybody who's been watching. I really appreciate it. It's been so hectic lately. I can't get to everybody's comments, but you know, I see them and I appreciate them. So thank you very much. And hey, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. By the way, go, if you're not in there, go on Facebook, get in the Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider group. A lot of neat people in there that are like posting what they make and do and everything, and it's really cool. There's also, what else? There's Instagram, there's Facebook, there's Twitter. I don't know, I really don't do anything on Twitter. But maybe I should. Maybe that's something new to look into. I'm also going to be doing a lot of updating to shop.theramenraider.com. Christmas is coming. Winter is coming. What else? Yeah, that's about all. If you want to hit up Patreon and help support, that's always good. If you're doing your Christmas shopping, you can go onto theramenraider.com, go look down the list, and if you like buy a bunch of junk on Amazon, just go click on one of the links for what do you call it? If you click on one of the links for a product on there and then go and it brings you up to Amazon, I get a little referral bonus for that, so that's much appreciated. That definitely helps me out. Anyways, yeah. Hey, thank you. Have a good one. Bye.